Hello everyone! I hope you all are doing excellent. Welcome to the Enviropreneur, the place where sustainability matters the most because we need to save Earth as Mars isn't the place for us. This one is all about sustainable living ideas. I'll be giving you a brief overview and you can learn more about each of the tips from our blog post on this topic which I have tagged in the description below. If you love your planet and want to make a difference, then don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Hit the bell icon to get notifications for every video we post. Now, since all the formalities are done, let's start with the 14 main tips. The first and most simple one is to turn off the appliances when we are done using them. Approximately 9 to 16% of your electricity bill is because of all the devices that you leave on standby. It may seem that they aren't using any electricity, but the numbers say it all. The second tip is to use eco-friendly tech. This covers everything from your laptops to major devices such as freezers and washing machines. Many companies are offering energy-saving options, so switching to such devices isn't really difficult. Although, don't forget to check for greenwashing when choosing an appliance, which basically means that you don't get scammed into thinking that a certain product is environmentally friendly, but in reality, it's just a marketing tactic. The next tip is to switch to renewables. Approximately 89% of the carbon dioxide emissions come from fossil fuels, with electricity being a significant contributor. The renewables industry has boomed in the past decade, and getting your hands on a solar panel isn't really difficult. However, if you don't want to go through all the trouble, then you can switch to those utilities that offer electricity generated from renewable sources. The fourth tip is to eat sustainably. You can do this by growing your own vegetables and cooking only the amount that's required. Out of all the food that's cooked, 30% is wasted. So avoiding food wastage won't just cut down on emissions, but it will also help out your bank account. The fifth suggestion is to ditch fast fashion. We often get trendy clothes to hop onto some TikTok fashion trend, but after one or two wears, it ends up in the bin. For reference, an average person throws around 81 pounds of their clothing each year. How many clothing items do you bin? Let us know in the comments below. Next comes the concept of 5 R's. That is, refuse, reduce, reuse, repurpose, and recycle. Refuse means not using the products that aren't sourced or produced sustainably. For instance, plastic bags. Reduce means to reduce the use of products or services that aren't environmentally friendly, but you have no choice but to use or do them, such as air travel. Reuse means to reuse the items rather than binning them, for instance, Tupperware. Repurpose involves using a single product for more than one purpose, such as using cardboard boxes for storage. Lastly, recycling involves returning a product to its initial status and using it again, such as sending back used beverage bottles. If you look around, you'll notice that almost every household has at least one car. Given that a typical vehicle emits 4.6 metric tons of carbon dioxide per year, conventional cars aren't really the way forward if you want to protect our environment. Here's where our tip of cycling, walking, or using public transport comes into play. Walking and cycling will not only save you transportation costs, but they also have a positive impact on your health. If none of these options appeal to you, then you can opt for carpooling to reduce emissions. Some perks. Our next tip is to reduce air travel. Studies show that by 2050, this form of transport will be responsible for 25% of the carbon emissions, which enunciates the need to find alternative options. You can either go by train or a bus, or if air travel is the only option, then don't opt for first class as it has 9 times higher carbon footprint. Our ninth sustainable living idea is to stop using plastic. No matter how convenient it seems, it's a poison that's slowly killing our aquatic life. A single plastic bottle that you bin after using once takes at least 500 years to decompose, not to mention the microplastics found in literally everything we consume, ranging from tea to water. Our next eco-living idea is to plant trees. Deforestation is escalating day by day, which is destroying wildlife habitats and pushing thousands of species to the brink of extinction. Apart from this, We are sure most of you know that trees consume carbon dioxide, which, due to their continuous dwindling numbers, is contributing to climate change. Practicing sustainable living ideas shouldn't just be limited to you. And that's why our next step is to educate others and increase awareness. You can do this by participating in sustainability campaigns and posting your sustainable lifestyle on social media. You can also contact elected officials and create eco-living programs in your community. Next, we'll be talking about something which we've turned from convenience to a curse. Yes, you guessed it right. The fossil fuels. They are the biggest contributor to air pollution, so the less we use, the better it is. However, reducing their usage isn't the solution. We need to completely eliminate their usage to reverse the atrocities done on the planet. You can do this by ditching conventional electricity and fossil fuel-powered vehicles and by using natural products. The next idea is to make your business sustainable. Given that 73% of Americans are likely to stop purchasing from companies that don't practice sustainability, having an environmental consciousness as part of your policy isn't really a choice. It's more of a business requirement. You can start by either having a sustainability manager or a team, depending on the size of your company. Next, transform your supply chain or the way the services are delivered. You can also incorporate green design into your office's interior. Last but not least, try an Earthship. This sustainable living idea is for people who want to move forward from the conventional practice. An Earthship is a completely sustainable home constructed from natural or recycled materials, for instance, used plastic bottles or tires. We hope you loved these ideas and will start incorporating at least a few of these in your daily life. Let us know in the comments below that which one is your favorite. Also, don't forget to share if you have any more in mind. Bye!